nigga, you're high. There's something wrong with you.
The bowl's with, you got turn 5.
Turn 10 is a left. It's called the bowl. Because it looks like a fish bowl. No. Big jug handle looking
joint. After that and it's quick
it's
and
10.
Straight?
Yes.
Oh,
that's the bowl.
So what's the other one? The long
They don't call it anything. They just call it the back straight. 7, 8, 9. That fucking that shit Marty's fast. That's just the straight.
No, not the one. No, Marty takes 5, and then the next one he takes fast, and then it's that long ass right into a sharp ass right. What's that one?
Say that again. Yeah, that's the back straight. The back straight. 7, 8, 9. 9 is the right. 9 is the sharp right.
Oh, I love it. That's the bowl, bro. I love the bowl. Me and him were just talking about it because he said he saw me. He said he saw me out there. He was like, yeah, yo, we came up. I think he said he was like that long sweeping left. I was like, yeah, man, I like that one. That's probably why I was on you. I said after that one, you probably would have left me there. I keep fucking up in the straight and shifting wrong because I switched it to the straight.
You shifted what?
I shifted. I turned it to GP shift.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna change that. I like the way my mind is wired.
Well, the 1000 set up like that for tone, so I'm just trying to switch over because I don't feel like switching it back.
Yeah, fucking Marshall called. He was like, "Hey, man, you got fucking sparkers in there?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, we don't want that out here." I was like, "All right." They might want to talk to somebody getting those changed out. Fuck.
You should have been like, "But man, there's a cool stuff for it."